Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 1998 Mercury 115. This is a 2-stroke, 20-inch long shaft remote. This one came back at 140 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the carburetors were either gone through or rebuilt. Go ahead and get this one fired up, get the fan on. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Bring it back down to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Go ahead and kill the fan. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.